In this guide, we're going over how you can fix the unhandled exception error message here in Resident Evil Requiem. There's going to be a bunch of quick fixes here in this video that are working right now. And if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to check your Windows security. You can do this just by opening up your PC and just searching for Windows security down here. Open up Windows security. Once it does load for you, you need to go specifically into virus and threat protection. Open this up. Once you're in virus and threat protection, go ahead and scroll down to ransomware protection and go to manage ransomware protection just like so. Open this up. You're going to see a tab that looks like this. Quick control folder access, turn this on, hit yes, and then you need to hit allowed app through controlled folder access. Open this up and essentially you need to allow the game's executable file, which is the application file, through the protection list. Sometimes Windows, for whatever reason, will block the game silently, even if Defender appears to be turned off. From here, open up Steam, right-click on the game, go to Properties, Installed Files, and hit Verify Integrity of the Game. I actually don't own this through Steam, so I can't really show you how to do this, but just right-click on it, hit Properties, Installed Files, and I guess I can't show you with something like Fall Guys since I was making videos on that, but right-click, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity just like so. This is gonna repair any missing or corrupted files. Another helpful fix though is clearing certain config files. You can do this by going to Steam Apps, Common Resident Evil Requiem, and then look for any config files and just delete them. It'll regenerate as soon as you relaunch the game. But that's really all you need to do. If you are still having issues, go ahead and just update your GPU drivers and try forcing the game to run in DirectX 11. And then finally, just restart your PC and you'll be good to go. Your game should now load properly and you're not going to get any more errors. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.